Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to week 4 of the Financial Organized Bootcamp, where I bring financial organization to your business or side hustle. In this week's lesson, I'll be going over the importance of having support and document for your expenses and your income within your business. And I'm going to show you a free way on how you can keep record of your expenses and your receipts and your bank statements, anything you need to support the purchases and the income within your business. So let's first go over what exactly is a supporting document and why do you need it within your business. According to the IRS, a supporting document includes anything such as the sales slip, paid bills, invoices, receipts, deposit slips, and canceled checks. Now, you don't have to have every single one of these specific documents, but using these documents allows for you to prove any income or expenses you put onto your tax return when you file your taxes. If you didn't already know, one of the perks to being a business owner when it comes to taxes is that you are able to deduct all of the expenses and purchases you make to run your business from your income, and then you're taxed on that amount of money. So that's what's known as your net income. So in order to do that, you have to keep record of the expenses you have and the income that you have, so that when it comes down to doing your taxes, you are making sure that you are writing off all of the purchases that you made and not miss anything. Because if you don't, you'll be paying a lot more in taxes than what you are legally required to do. So let's now get into the video on how to record your supporting document for free so that you can save as much as you can on taxes. Okay, so this is going to be a 4-step process. It's going to be super quick and straight to the point. The first step I want you to do is take a picture of your receipt. By doing this, you don't have to worry about having to keep the receipt in a bag or hoping that it doesn't get damaged. So all you're going to do after you make the purchase is use your phone and take a picture of the receipt. And then we're going to move on to step 2, which is uploading the receipt to a Google Drive. So let's go into my laptop and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Right now I am in Google Drive. And the way you find this is that you click the 9 dots right here. And right here you'll see Google Drive is right here where you'll click it. And now we will click, over here you'll select new and click new folder. And we will name this folder Business Expenses. And hit create. Okay. So this is the new one that I created right here that's highlighted. This is the old one that I have. Now on to step 3. We will take our photo that we just took and put it into our Google Drive. Now, when it comes to uploading your photos, I do suggest that you create a subcategory folder. So that means that right now we have our business expenses, which is our big folder. And then if we click our business expenses folder, there's nothing in it. But I suggest, to keep things a little more organized, is to create a new folder and categorize your expenses based on exactly what it is. So if this expense is for some supplies, we'll say supplies. Let's have a specific store. We'll say Home Depot. Actually, no, let's not say Home Depot because it'll make it it'll be too specific. Whereas you're gonna have to have a whole bunch of different folders. So we'll just make it supplies, expenses. Hit create. So now this is a subcategory folder. So first we was in the drive, then we went to our business expenses specifically. Now we're in our supplies expenses. And for each different supplies or each different expense or income you have, you will make a different subcategory folder. So right now we have supplies, and if it's for gas or vehicle expenses, you make a category for vehicle expenses. Let's say that another business expense is travel because you went somewhere on a flight. You'll make a folder, name it travel expenses, and then you'll put your receipts in there. So now we're going to upload our picture. Hit new, file upload. I'm just going to select photos. We're going to select this is a receipt from my website that I use. So now we have this uploaded. It's very, very important that you are organized in this manner, because as a business owner, you definitely want to have record of what's going in and out of your business, because if not, you will never know what's going on in your business. You don't know if you're making money, you don't know if you're losing money, you don't know if you're being stagnant. Like, this is so important. So with this extra step of recording your receipts, it just makes your business even more organized. Now on to step 4, where we will integrate last week's video with this new video, where we will match our receipt with our transactions and our profit and loss statement that we created in the last episode. Now remember, if you need a profit and loss tracker, you can go over to the last week's episode and download the direct sheet I'm about to show y'all. That sheet will literally be so useful because all you have to do is put in the amount of money that you make for the day or the expenses that you have for the day, and it will automatically track it for you. So let's go over and match up these two transactions. And the reason you want to match these two transactions is because if you for some reason need to prove a transaction or remember where exactly that transaction came from, you can match the numbers to from your Google Drive to the profit and loss sheet and easily know where did you spend this money at. Okay, so we're going to first rename this photo or this receipt, and we'll just say it was Home Depot supplies. And we'll number this. This is very, very important. You will number the picture as a number. So we'll do it as 234. Actually, and then also put the date. So we'll just say 1/28. It says 2023. So we'll put the date and then put a number. The actual putting this part right here is optional, but you know, the more detail you are, the better. So we'll hit OK. So now this is our receipt named. We'll then go over to our profit and loss tracker, and this is the column right here where you will input these numbers. So as you can see right here, we had let me exit this off. Right here we had a transaction at Home Depot supplies of $36. We'll just say that this is the one that matches with our upload to Google Drive. So in this column we will put 234. So now we know that this transaction right here matches with this receipt in our Google Drive. So you see how cohesive and smooth it would be and how easy it would be for you to figure out where exactly that you spend this money. So those are the 4 simple, easy steps that you will take in order to be a financially organized business owner and record your supporting documents so that if you ever need it because of an audit, or meaning that, you know, the IRS begins to question your income and your expenses within your business, you will easily be able to access this information. If you learned something new, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more content on how to turn your side hustle into a professional business. I will see y'all in next week's video. Peace.